Okay, in part one, we took magazine pages and cut them in 2-inch strips to make the paper tubes. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take your tube and spiral it into a coil. You're going to need your tube. You're going to need something to flatten it out. I use a pencil. So I'm just going to start to flatten it out here. Okay. You can do both sides if you want. Alright, and then I use my pencil to start my tube. Or start my coil. And I'm just going to roll it. And I'm going to roll it all the way just because I like to tell it to go in the spiral direction. And then at this point you can pull it off. If you want to have a hole in it, you can. But if you want to have it nice and tight like this with no hole, then I would take it off the pencil and then re-roll it again. So it already knows to curl up because you rolled it on the pencil. So you work your way all the way up to the end, and then you're going to add a little bit of adhesive there. I use just some basic Elmer's glue. Okay, you can use glue stick if you want. So I put a little bit on the end of it. And then I'm going to lay it flat on there. See, it's attached. And then kind of just hold it a little bit so it doesn't unattach. So there you have your two coils. And the reason I'm building these coils is we're doing a coil relief of a giraffe portrait. And there you have it.